Hey, and welcome to this practice today. We are doing a guided meditation for mental clarity. And start by taking comfortable seated position where you are able to keep your spine straight and long and your chest open. You also have an option to lean onto a wall. Just make sure that in that case also you are keeping your body straight and long, your chest open. So don't rely too much on that wall. And once you have found your comfortable seated position, you can close your eyes. And then start focusing on your breath. Feel how the air is coming in and how it feels when it's going out. And you don't need to change anything about your breath, just breathe as you normally do. Breathing in fully and breathing out fully. And just remember that every one of your breaths is unique. So try to give your full attention to every one of your breaths. Then slowly bring your awareness to your right hand. Notice each finger of your right hand. And then touch your thumb with your index finger. Then thumb and your middle finger. Thumb and your ring finger. And thumb and your pinky finger. Again, thumb with your ring finger, thumb with your middle finger, thumb with your index finger, and then relax the hand. Take a deep breath. And repeat this. Thumb to your index finger, thumb to your middle finger, thumb to your ring finger, and thumb to your pinky finger. Thumb and your ring finger, thumb and your middle finger, thumb and your index finger. And then relax your hand. Relax your fingers. And then start noticing your left hand. And notice each finger of your left hand. And repeat the same thing with your left hand. So thumb with your index finger, thumb with your middle finger, thumb with your ring finger, and thumb with your pinky finger. Thumb with your ring finger, thumb with your middle finger, thumb with your index finger, and then relax your hand. Take 2 deep breaths here, breathing in fully, breathing out fully. And then we repeat. Thumb with your index finger, thumb with your middle finger, thumb with your ring finger, and thumb with your pinky finger. Thumb with your ring finger, thumb with your middle finger, and thumb with your index finger. And then relax your hand and relax your fingers. Take 2 deep breaths here. And then both of your hands at the same time. Again, we are touching each finger and repeating while touching each finger, following mantra. So index finger, peace, middle finger, begins, ring finger, with, and pinky finger, me. Repeat after me or with me. Peace begins with me. Again, peace begins with me. One more time. Peace begins with me. And again, relax your fingers and your hands. Bring your awareness to your breath. Take one deep inhalation, filling your lungs completely. And exhale, empty your lungs completely. When you are ready, you can open your eyes and continue on with your day. Namaste.